learn about persons.
Which person? Bad person, good person, honest person, naughty person, that person.
No, Nannu. We are going to learn about persons in English grammar.
Oh,
Now, why is person so important?
I don't know.
Because then it will be easy for us to learn the subject-verb agreement and we will be able to speak and write grammatically correct sentences.
Interesting.
Now let's go to the video. Before that, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now. In English grammar, we have three persons. The first person is the speaker, singular I and plural we. The second person is the listener, singular and plural is you. The third person is the one spoken about, singular he, she and it, plural is they. Now a tip for you. The subject and object in a sentence are always nouns.
Don't forget.
The third person, he, she, it can be any noun, but the first person and the second person remain the same. For example, he can be a boy, a common noun, or Tom, a proper noun. She can be a girl, a common noun, Alice, a proper noun. It can be the chair, a dog, a bird, or anything. Now let's practice the subject with the verb in present tense. I work, we work, you work, they work, he works, she works, it works. Did you observe the difference? Yes, with third person singular, the verb ends with S in present tense. Let's see it once again. Now, the negative sentences. I don't work, we don't work, you don't work, they don't work, he doesn't work, she doesn't work, it doesn't work. That's it for today. Keep practicing. We'll come back next week with the continuation of this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.